We've simplified exports and improved the self-service aspect even more now by allowing you to build your own exports with fewer requirements whenever you need them. Within Engage, click the Data tab and choose CRM Export. Click the Create Export button and you'll find two different versions of reports now, both simple and complex. The complex report is the current template that you've seen within Engage. When you choose the simple export version, you'll be guided to a new page with fewer steps. The simple export will use a default template, so if you need a more customized template or anything outside of this export, we are more than happy to create those for you. There are 4 parts to the simple export. First, use the file name field box to name your export. This will be a CSV file that you can download when complete. For this example, we'll be pulling a report of all 2022 admits. Next, choose the segments to include in your export by clicking Add Segment Group and then choose Segments. A market segment is a subgroup that we place students in based on a variety of different data points. You'll then see a list via the Market Segment selector. Choose the segments you need by perusing the list or use the search field box in the top left-hand corner. So we are going to choose, of course, the 2022 enrollment year and then our admitted market segment. Once you've made those selections, click Select Market Segments, and you'll see those indicated in the segment box. From there, you'll see a toggle between Any and All. Hover your mouse over the information icon to learn more. The Any toggle will generate an export of users that match the criteria for any of those market segments. So for this example, this report would pull both all 2022 students and all admits. However, when we choose the All toggle, this will instead generate an export of users that match the criteria for all of those segments combined. Therefore, this report would actually show us all 2022 admits, which is exactly what we're looking for. Next, you may give your export a description, but it's not mandatory. When you do add a blurb in this field box, an info icon will be added next to your file name. Finally, choose your reprocessing cadence, whether it's one time, every day, or weekly. When you choose weekly, you'll then be prompted to select which day and hour to process for you. Once completed, hit Create Simple Export. From there, your export will be placed in the queue and processed. Keep in mind, you can download, reprocess, or edit the export anytime by clicking on the 3 vertical dots in the Actions column. Use this simple export to reference the data you need at any time.